Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to attach this Keystone RJ45 jack to CAT-6 cable. For this we are going to need this wire stripper. We can get this easily on Amazon. First what we have to do is we have to peel off a section from our CAT-6 cable. When you open this, you will be seeing a thread-like structure. This is just for opening more of the cable. I'm not going to need that, so I'm just going to cut it off. Okay, this is a CAT-6 cable. Here you can see 4 pairs of wires, a green pair, brown pair, blue pair and an orange pair. And at the center of it you can see a plastic insulation which seems to be in the way of the cable so that it will reduce the interference between the two cables or the other cables for that matter. We don't need this for attaching this with the socket, so I'm just going to remove it. Okay. And then what we want to do is we want to untwist the pairs. Now it is all not twisted, and here we can see we have 8 cables: brown, white, green, white, orange, white, and blue, white. And now we have a patch here. This is a DLink patch which I'm going to use. It has each and every pins of the manufacturers have some particular coding. Here we can see a particular coding. I'm going to leave an image of it on the right side corner of the screen. Yeah, here you can see we have A and B configurations. We are going to use type B, which is the most commonly used one. Here you can see we have A, B, and it says it's BA. So these 8 pins corresponds to A if it is connected with the green pair, blue pair on the top, and to the bottom corresponds to B pair. As I said before, we are going to use B pair in this. What we have to do is we have to take the cable, put it in the center first at the starting of it, and then align each wire and push it down the thing. I'm going to do it right now. Okay, here you can see I have attached all the 8 pins. Okay, just check it by pulling it off, and if it is tight, leave it. I'll suggest you to take a cutter and cut off the extra ends of the cable. Okay, once you're ready, take the cap which is given with the cabinet, and then just push it inside. This is just to secure the pins in place, and now you can see all the pins sticking outside of it, and the cable is tight with it.
And that's how we connect a Keystone jack to the CAT-6 cable. Hope you guys learned it. If you have any queries, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you actually learned it and try this yourself. Subscribe to my channel to know more about electronic stuffs. See you next time.